In this video I will show you how to remove an agent job from multiple Microsoft Server instances using dbWatch. Here we are in the management part of the watch monitor. We see 64 instances or status from all 64 instances. Most of them are SQL servers, but also there are some Oracle and Sybase and Postgres instances. Now I will select one of the SQL Server instances here, and then I will select SQL Server Agent. Here on the right side we can see the number of jobs, 18, and now if I select jobs I will get the list of all the jobs running on that instance. And now I will try to find a job named Update Statistics in user databases, and the challenge is how to find and then remove this job from all the instances where this job is running. Of course I could go through the whole management part, click on each and every instance, find the job, or at least see if the job is there, and then remove it. But if I have hundreds of instances, that would probably take a lot of time. So what I would like to do is to use dbWatch worksheet. So instead of running the job, I would just copy the statement like this, and from here I will go to the worksheet, and now I would like to run this statement against all the instances where this job is running. But of course I have to find the job first. I know that I have this job on that instance, so I could remove it, but I have to find all the others. Of course I could do the quick and dirty way. I could choose all the instances, the Oracle, Sybase, everything, and run this statement against all of those. I would just get an error message that the job is not there, or some other syntax error if I run it against different platforms. But that will be a very dirty and quick way of doing it. So I am not going to do that. So I'll just remove the output. So now I will go to the BigQuery window and type some query instance. So here's the list of all the instances, and we have a property name MS Agent job. This property returns all the names of all jobs on every instance. Like for example, you're probably familiar with this name. That's the job which is defined on many instances, but the job we are interested in are update in user databases. So you can see we have just two of those jobs, so actually there are only two jobs. And I also prepared a more advanced query so we can see more information about those jobs and instances. So we'll just copy it here. So now we can see that we have one job on that instance, or another one here. So of course if I have just two jobs, I could just use management tab and just do it from there. But let's see if we have 100 of this kind of jobs. I would prefer to use worksheet. So now I will use this property here, the MS Agent job, and I will go to the worksheet, and I will change the grouping here. I will add the property here like this, add, and then I will move it here. So now you can see all the jobs here, and of course the job we are interested in is update statistics in user database. That's the job, and now I can see those two customers or servers, what we call it, which is correct here. I can see here the last column, and here we have one instance here and one instance here. And now I could just run the job. I'll just run it against one of the instances like this, and the job will be removed. So now if I go back to the management part and select SQL Server Agent job, now you can see that's on the 17 jobs, and if I select jobs, you won't be able to see the update statistics job because it's already gone. And now if I go back to here and try to run it, then you would see that this job is gone. So that's one way of dropping or deleting one specific job on many instances at the same time. So if you have a job you want to drop, you can use the worksheet, and you can change the tree so it will be very easy to find a specific instance and run it against it. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.